Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Anshul.
Please introduce yourself.
Myself, Dr. Rupali Benz. Currently, I'm working in Smart Lab under Department of Laboratory Medicine. And I have completed my MD Biochemistry from AIIMS Rishikesh.
So, how you came to know about this branch?
Actually, during my PG preparation time, I already knew about this branch that there is something known as laboratory medicine, under which we are seeing biochemistry, microbiology, and hematology under one roof of lab medicine. So that time itself, I was keen, okay, what it is, how it is, what people are doing in that branch. So unfortunately, I didn't got that time into PG. So as soon as I finished my PG, so I thought, okay, why not explore this branch? So that is how I landed up in this department.
So, that's great, ma'am. What do you like most here, ma'am?
The very good thing about this lab, working in Smart Lab, is the part of auto validation, which till the date I have not experienced in any of the lab I have worked or being my period institute. So the very good thing about auto validation is that it is reducing the manual power of the resident, and it is not a burden of reports over us. So like if 100 reports are coming, 80% reports are getting auto validated, and rest 10% reports we are the one who are sitting and validating. So it is increasing the quality of the report which is going to the patient. So I like that part most.
So, ma'am, what are your future plans?
Future plans currently I have not thought of, but I have two options. Either I will go with the lab setup, which eventually everyone will does, but it will take some years. And second thing is that okay, might be I can think of doing some DM course. I have experienced the hematology part here, so I am interested to learn it like into the depth. So we'll see what it where it takes me to.
So, thank you for your time, ma'am. It was nice to talk to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.